In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again to click on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock section. Finally, select Face on the left, tap on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up, and enter your current login method to continue. Hit Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Make sure this switcher next to Screen Unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to use face recognition in order to unlock your smartphone. So now let's check it out. I will switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. As you can see, after a few seconds I can unlock it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!